clear the line. We are starting the weld.
Wait, check the voltage on sector 3 first.
All right, team, get those chains secured now. We have clearance in 5 minutes.
Check the hydraulics on the tamper before we roll out.
Proper track maintenance prevents derailments and ensures safe passage for millions of passengers daily.
The evolution of track maintenance began with back-breaking manual labor using sledgehammers and picks. Today,
all right, the track access is secured for sectors 4 through 6. Inform the crew they have the green light for the overnight shift.
All right, team, track 4 access is authorized. We're replacing the turnout motor at milepost 15.2, so ensure shunting procedures are followed strictly.
control, protection is established at the work site. We confirm the approach.
As you can see, the probe brought up significant amounts of silt and coal residue. This level of fouling severely impacts the drainage capacity.
This wood tie is severely rotted, gauge is compromised, and look at the hairline cracks on this concrete one.
Got it. I'll mark the concrete tie for replacement now.
Check the tension on this clip, it looks slightly off. Applying the wrench now, looks good, within tolerance.
Close-up of the flash butt weld with minimal heat affected zone, showing smooth profile, requiring less grinding than thermite welds for field applications.
All right, she's loose, get the straps on.
Straps are secure, ready for the crane.
All right, lift together now, and heave. Clear the line.
Keep going, it's almost there. All right, that's tight. Looks good, let's check the next one.
A little more to the left. How's that look? Hold it right there, easy.
Close-up of movable point frog technology, showing how some crossings use movable parts to eliminate the wheel impact.
Accelerated wear patterns on the high rail and gauge face require this frequent grinding, distinguishing curve maintenance from straight track.
Cant, or super elevation, ensures the balancing of centrifugal forces, allowing trains to navigate curves safely at high speeds.
Watch the elevation right there. Got it, bringing it up now. Looks good from here, boss. Easy, bring it down flush with the rail. Okay, it's in. Grab the pry bar, let's lock it down. A little to the left, hold it there. Okay, drop it down. Okay, drop it down.
The surface temperature is already hitting 50 degrees.
The gauge shows we're losing clearance here.
All right, we're putting a slow order on this section.
Thermal state stable.
There's a hairline fracture right at the bolt hole. Confirmed on the thermal scan. It's unstable. The blockage is further down. We need to clear it now. Okay, focus on the main channel. Watch the support beams.
The deflection on the flexible joint seems within tolerance.
Yes, and the anchoring tension is holding steady according to the readout.
The ground-penetrating radar reveals critical subgrade defect voided areas directly under the ties. The laser rail profile system measures head wear, gauge, and cross level at track speed with micron-level accuracy.
As you can see, the installation data feeds directly into our maintenance schedule. We can monitor component stress in real time and approve replacements.
Interface secured. Stabilizing the conduit now.
Power tool armed. Ready for extraction on your mark.
Proceed.
Lift it slowly, watch the pressure. Coming up on the frog, keep it steady. We're aligned, set it down easy. Clear the area, we're starting the cut.
Bring the support beam over here. Hurry up!
Temporary speed restrictions are implemented through signaling systems when defects are identified, requiring reduced train.
Ready to lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. I got it.
We have secured the connection plate.
Acknowledged. Engineer proceeding.
Our utilization is down.
and material consumption is too high.
If we reroute the spares, we can optimize allocation immediately.
Are you satisfied with the alignment on the curve?
Yes, the thermal expansion joint is within tolerance. We can release the track.
The geometry corrections were highly effective. We have a clear pass on the ride quality.
Confirmed. The data looks excellent across the board.
Clear the track. We are moving forward. Roger that. Moving up slowly.
The herbicide containers are correctly labeled and sealed. Good.
We performed the daily inspection this morning.
Improved geometry and component condition allows higher speeds and axle loads, increasing line capacity.
The geometry on Sector 4 is slightly off nominal. Adjust the alignment by 2 millimeters immediately.
Ensure the gradient matches the specification.
We're calibrating the laser now.
Lift it up a notch. The new gauge says we're good to go.
Keep that ballast packed tight.
As you can see, the pressure must remain below 50 psi. Now, in case of emergency,
Walk me through the startup sequence for the compressor.
Engaging the primary lube oil pump now. Checking discharge pressure. All right, team, remember, track maintenance is hazardous. Stay vigilant, follow the procedures exactly as discussed, and maintain constant awareness. Let's have a safe shift.
Okay, take your scheduled break now.
Thanks, boss. This heat is rough. Yeah, glad for the shade.
We can access all the forms right here and communicate in real time.
And sending the inspection report is instant.
Locate the access panel indicated. Use the torque wrench to loosen the bolts. Now carefully disconnect the ribbon cable.
Comparing maintenance costs and track quality across different railways allows us to identify best practices and improve efficiency. The new composite ballast is performing above the projected load limits.
Good. The thermal imaging confirms the lack of stress points.
The alignment is well within tolerance. We meet all international standards here.
The gauge is showing optimal pressure. Last calibration was logged last week.
Okay, I'm documenting the current reading now.
Make sure that's cross-referenced with the preventative maintenance schedule.
The spike correlates with the sensor malfunction on line 4.
If we adjust the calibration frequency, we prevent recurrence.
The revised protocol is clearly working.
If we push Sector 3 to 2 a.m., we avoid the commuter rush entirely.
That turns the conflict green. Less impact on passengers.
By balancing these immediate maintenance needs with long-term asset renewal, our capital allocation strategy
Check the tension on that bolt, eh? We've got 3 minutes before the next arrival.